Today we're solving inequalities using addition or subtraction. So in solving the inequality, we're using the same steps we did with equations, except that our sign has changed. It's either a less than, a greater than, a less than or equal, or a greater than or equal. So if we have x minus 3 is less than 5. If we're solving, that means we need x by itself. Our first step would be to use the inverse operation of minus 3. What is the inverse of minus 3? Plus 3. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So x is less than 8. Now we have to graph our solution. If we graph x is less than 8, will this be an open or a closed circle? Open. And x is less than 8 means all the numbers to the left of 8. Now anytime it's a less than, it's an open circle. Greater than, open circle. Less than or equal is a closed circle. Greater than or equal is a closed circle. It's just a little review from yesterday. Let's try another one. Let's say we have to solve m minus 6 is greater than negative 4. So what are we solving for? M. What's the inverse operation of minus 6? Plus 6. What you do to one side, you do to the other. M is greater than 2. Can we graph this? Open or closed? Open circle. And m is all the numbers greater than 2. This graph tells me that all the numbers to the right of 2, so 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, make this inequality true. Let's solve 12 is less than or equal to x minus 5. So we need x by itself. I mean, we have to add 5 to both sides. 17 is less than or equal to x. When we graph this, would this be an open or a closed circle? Closed circle. So it says here, 17 is less than or equal to x. 2. So that means x is all the numbers to the right of 17. We can also rewrite this inequality as x is greater than or equal to 17. If we have y plus 5 is less than negative 7, what is the inverse operation we have to use? Minus 5. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So y is less than negative 12. We graph. Open or closed circle? Open to the left. Let's try one more. Let's try t plus 3 is greater than or equal to 8. Can you start solving this? What is the inverse operation? Subtract 3. What you do to one side, you do to the other. T is greater than or equal